Hello and welcome back to 9582 North Myrtle Beach for your May 2024 local market update for single family residential homes only. This is really good news because I just did the April, so now I'm doing the May. Look at how high it jumped just in 1 month. So the average in Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, 768, 653. That's your average. That is crazy. Looks like everybody wants to be in North Myrtle Beach. It's a great time to list your house. That's obvious. So give me a buzz if you're looking to do so. Average days on market have totally dropped to 85 compared to just in April. So 85 days on market's not taking too long. Let's see, 265 is your average price per square foot. So it's hovering, pretty close. It bumped up $5 just in 1 month's time. And let's see, 4.1 months of supply. That's because we do have more listings. We have 192 listings active, 51 pending, and 49 closed sales. So this is fantastic. If you're interested in selling your home and you would like to know more about the market and how I can help you, please reach out to me at 843-222-7800. Again, I'm Vicki Harvey. And just to let you know, you can always go back in these slides and look on your own as well if you want to see another zip code. Thanks for watching. Take care.